Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Today we are going to see Capgemini hiring freshers for VLSA role, which is a Hyderabad location and the Coimbatore Bangalore location. CTC will be 3 to 4.5. Apply now. This is about the company review and this is the job description which they are mentioned. Eligible criteria 2019 to 2021 batch 60% all over academics 10 to 12th and graduation and post graduation. And the streams will be communication, E and the EC, telecom, they are mentioned here. So the skills will be RTL verification, physical design, DF demo, and EVU designer. This all the multiple job location they are providing role for the description. The education type B, BTech, any stream they can apply. Role will be other industry, musculous industry. And this is the website. You can watch the website. And the review rating, what all the benefit, home insurance, soft training, and job description. They are providing everything through this. So hiring pressure for VLSA role. Just click here and apply now in the first Naukri. After 20 to 35 days, you may get exam link. The openings will be 50 only. So apply as much you can. The job application up to date there will be 34 application, 34,000 application they are come. So don't wait for more and more time. Just apply now itself as much you can. Just keep apply and automatically if you are having account it will directly go to your account and apply successfully it will show. So start applying. If you have any doubt while filling this form, comment me in the comment section. Thanks for watching this channel.